boy. Getting it?
No.
Whoa. Whoa.
Look at it on the grass. Sam, look at it on the grass. It bounces. Look at it. It's like it's jumping. On the grass. Look at it, Justin.
I know.
Yeah, you getting that effect on the grass?
Yeah.
Can you see it in there?
Yeah. First time I ever got hail on recording.
Did you get my picture table? I mean, my table where you can see it up covering it? Maybe not.
What?
Oh, it's worse. Here it comes again. Oh! Oh my God! Just Zach, look on the grass. It bounces. It hits the grass so hard it bounces. Looks like it's jumping like a grasshopper. Do you want to hold the door? Hold the door.
Press that little thing right there.
That's weird. What?
Oh my God, Zach, please. Break it. Okay, you hold it. There.
Sam, come here. Does that eat, Justin?
Sister who's multiple times to live in foster care. She never had it easy. Watching her down, she knew how to take care of herself. Oh, shoot. My hand shakes about what I learned. I always felt there was an uncommon honesty in all.
Door if you open it. There you go.
Oh! Oh! Bah. Whew. My feet are cold. Peace.